Hello, I'm Sharbel Kesbar. I'm the Chief Executive Officer at GoPed, and today I'll be presenting you with some problem resolutions we are currently pursuing. GoPed, the easy alternative to owning a vehicle, where customer satisfaction, environmental conservation, and financial interests all blend. Our service provides people with the opportunity to rent fully electric vehicles depending on their need. Technology is an evolving industry, and in response to this, our primary goal is to create a long-lasting environment where car sharing is second nature. GoPed and government regulations. In-app features and an immersive user interface to regulate customer liabilities and relieve local cities' concerns. The biggest problem we have facing us as a company is government regulations. Our service provides people with the opportunity to rent fully electric vehicles that in turn would be left on public property when not being used. Introducing Project Bolt. Project Bolt is designed to solve the issue we are facing. There are two main aspects of solving this problem. One is being able to monitor the way vehicles have been left and giving our customers a virtual rating based on it. For instance, if a customer left their vehicle in a no parking zone, or left it covering up a driveway, the next customer would rate the previous user's drop-off and a virtual score for that user would be created. Along with that, bystanders could also rate the drop-off of this user by scanning the code with their app and leaving a review. The second would be to allocate zones on public property in which people can leave the vehicle when not being used, blending in the aspects of public transportation and the privacy of having a vehicle, while contributing to environmental conservation and public safety. Going off of that, the main problem we have boils down to resources. Resources that we want to obtain with the cooperation of the California government. The way we are going now doesn't break any laws, and we can continue to operate at this scale. We just find it easier on both ends to allocate certain resources for the common good of both parties. The need from you would be designated areas in which to park and board our vehicles, and in return we would implement a rating system to encourage our customers to abide by local rules and have compassion for the local communities. Why GoPed? It's simple. We're a company that strives for the well-being of local communities and the world. Environmental conservation is a driving factor in our business plan. Customer satisfaction is a core value, and at the end of the day, financial interest is as well. Our goal is to save people money. Easy implementation within 5 weeks. 2 weeks, set up designated zones and launch the user rating system. This will not only start the transition, but will also create areas in which our brand is known. 1 week, accumulate rating information to provide an adequate source for each user. 2 weeks, provide feedback and take necessary precautions. This will include beneficial tips to improve, and if behavior continues, it will limit rides and ban rides to said people. For any more questions, please feel free to contact me.